Good afternoon, jury and all the members present in the room. Myself, Manu Kapoor, and I'm representing Radico Khaitan. And we are having a Allied Bank of India. To meet out some of the business challenges we have faced during the case study were the customers specific services we are not having proper in this, and to integration of communication channels properly. As the bank is growing up in a very rapid way, so we have to provide the customer specific services, and to meet out that we have to this is a basic challenge of ours. Complex IT infrastructure. A bank is taking over some of the rural banks, and they are having a different infrastructure. So they're having a complex IT infrastructure. So we have, this is also one of the major business challenge. And adherence to regulatory and compliances. As you know, bank has a very RBI and such policies. So we have to meet that also. And presently, we are not having a non-availability of value-added business information in the bank, so that the management can add as some schemes or something or the other for the bank itself. To meet out these business challenges, we have some key IT goals which are related to the business challenges, such as rationalization of data centers, space and efficiency, which is a major problem as such. And the governance of risk management, we have to take this as a IT goal, and communication to connect to internal and outside customers, as we are not able to do in present manner. Enhancement of business analysis, increase to the business value, so that we can meet out the more customers and business analysis can be done on this. Adoption of cloud, obviously based application, and as an infrastructure model for reducing further. I will be going in the further slides. The business service management. We have a minimal setup. I would straight away go to the benefits of this. In this minimalist setup and proactive and predicting operating models we are having, and the service quality improvements, such as the performance monitoring solution of IT infrastructure and service to internal customers and external customers, and combining of IT and non-IT management tool into cohesive system. Further, there is a cloud technology, as you well aware. Again, the benefits of this are the scalability and elasticity of this software, which is very open to the system, and improved centralized data and security. And not the least, the cost reduction would be there, as we will reduce the infrastructure cost in this. And this we are arriving on the adoption of visualization also, which is our main objective. And the scope will be like this, phasing out a legacy system in a phased manner, not in a straight away, in a phased manner, so that the old machines are also be there, and it will move in a phased manner. Unified communication. The benefits, again, provides access to all internal and external customers, such as now there is no direct link with the internal and external customer, such as in a customer center, service center, it will be directly hitting to the person, the problem he is facing, he will be directly hitting to that person, and it will be rectified there. And we will be helping in build different customer touch points also in this. The data transformation center will be a cost reduction and regulatory compliance to data. Future scalability will be there, and highly to deploying the main is the objective of the DR actually. And scope would be as restructuring of data center. Machine to machine is a minimizing manual intervention of the persons. Such as if the one ATM is down, we will be sending one alert to the specified vendor, and he will be coming automatically to rectify the ATM or something or that. The minimized manual intervention always helps us to reduce the time. The big data, obviously, to increase the data spectrum for the analysis. As we are having structured data, but we are not having the unstructured data. To comply with that,
Time up.